5 things you absolutely don't need to bring to university coming from a third year. Just buy like maybe 1 or 2 notebooks, like a few pens, maybe like a ruler and a pencil or a calculator if you're a STEM or economics student. I know a lot of people on TikTok tell you to get an extension cord for a uni accommodation. Specifically, accommodations in Dundee are very good with sockets. Like I had a few near my bed and a few near my table. Just don't bring everything you own to university, like all of your shoes and clothes, because you're gonna buy new stuff anyways and it's just gonna accumulate in your room. If you're doing prees before a club or if you're just having a house party, you're gonna be under the influence of alcohol at some point, and if a glass breaks, those little shards might just be a hazard to you and all your friends. So try to get the like thick plastic reusable ones. I'm gonna give you an example. They're gonna be way better anyway, and they will not be a hazard for other people. The 5th one is don't get over the door hooks. I actually got 2 when I moved in. I got one for my bathroom door and one for my front door, and neither of them fit because the doors in student accommodations, I think they're like fireproof or something. They're very thick. They're thicker than your usual door, so the over the door hooks will just not fit. It's going to be a waste of money and you're going to have to donate them.